Hi, I'm Sam from Soudal, and in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at some new additions to Soudal's professional cleaning range. Soudal's new glass and mirror foam cleaner, PVC spray cleaner are both professional grade, industrial strength, non-smearing cleaners capable of removing even the toughest of dirt from glass, mirrors, white PVC and other plastics. First we're going to take a look at Soudal's glass and mirror cleaner, a powerful foam action cleaning agent that provides a spotless, streak-free finish on mirrors, windows and other glass surfaces. Unlike traditional cleaners, this is an aerosol applied cleaner that foams up upon application to maximise surface coverage. You actually require less product to achieve the same result as traditional liquid cleaners. Available in a 750ml format, one canister provides up to 10 litres of foam cleaner. Yes, that's right. One canister, 750ml, can provide up to 10 litres. Let's show you how this works. Firstly, I'm going to shake the canister to mix the cleaning agents and propellants to maximise the yield. I'm then going to spray the product into this plastic cup here to demonstrate the volume of product produced from a small amount. After a while, you'll see the foam begin to collapse and settle back into its original liquid state. You can now see in the bottom of the cup the amount of product used to fill it with foam. So let's see how well this product cleans. Again, begin shaking the can to mix the propellants and the cleaning agents together. When applying, you should always keep the can upright. We want to get a good coverage to ensure sufficient product to clean away that stubborn dirt and grease. It's non-drip, so it's not going to run down the window, it stays exactly where it's sprayed. We already have peace of mind knowing how little product is used to generate this volume of foam. Once applied, you let the product work for around 20 seconds, allowing it to penetrate into the dirt. Then we simply wipe the surface and rub until the window is completely dry. And if the window is particularly dirty, simply repeat the process and make sure you use a different cloth so you don't deposit anything back onto the surface. You can also use this product for mirrors amongst many other materials and surfaces. The next product in our range is our PVC spray cleaner. This is a highly effective, non-abrasive, industrial strength solvent-based cleaning agent suitable for use on white PVC frames, sills, panels, cladding and trims. Again, this is an aerosol applied product formulated for the efficient and effective removal of ingrained dirt. The fast-acting, fast-drying formulation gives great results in a matter of seconds. It's perfect for removing adhesive residue, grease, uncured sealant, pen and pencil marks from white PVC substrates. It can also be used to clean other hard plastics such as garden furniture, amongst many other household objects. Here we have a piece of white PVC with pen, uncured sealant and pencil marks on it. Let's get this removed. You should always spray the cleaner directly onto a cloth or tissue paper. Avoid spraying it directly onto the substrate you're cleaning. Shake the aerosol can well before use. Spray the cleaner into a clean, soft, colour-fast cloth or paper tissue and work the cleaner well into the surface. Leave to rest for a few minutes, then wipe away the contamination. After this, you can polish the surface using a second dry cloth or paper tissue. As you can see, that's made short work of those marks that are common in the installation process. The speed of the formulation makes it perfect for difficult to reach areas, removing ingrained dirt in seconds. And there you have it, Soudal's new aerosol cleaning range. Glass and mirror foam cleaner, PVC cleaner, both ideal for commercial and general household use with their high performance, professional quality finish and their ability to remove even the toughest of dirt in seconds. Subscribe to our channel if you found this episode useful, and to find out more information, visit our website www.soudal.co.uk.
Northern Building Plastics. Why collect when we can deliver?